Southeast Tech is one of our partners in this project. You were telling me that the idea for this actually came from the students.
Right.
So student government is Southeast Tech's student governing body. We are comprised of 2 representatives from each program area. Joining student government is really easy. All you really need to do at the beginning of the year, or whenever, you can join whenever, is really just talk to me or Elizabeth. Tell us that you want to join. We can put you on the student government roster, and then really you just kind of show up to the meetings and just start jumping in, getting involved.
My name is Bubba Ridings. I am the current student government president for the 2017-2018 year here at Southeast Tech. My favorite memory from student government, that's hard to choose. I mean, being in the dunk tank is one that we won't forget on a cool day with very ice cold water. Being in the beauty pageant is going to be something that I'm pretty sure burnt tragic memories in people's minds that they probably didn't need to see.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth. I am one of the co-chairs of SGA, which is Student Government Association. The reason I got involved in being a student advisor is that I love working with students. And so in SGA, we get to really hone the students' leadership skills and plan the activities.
My favorite part of being an advisor is getting to see the students work together and see what they want to do for events, watch them grow from the time they start as a representative or on the exec board, and we really get to see them gain those professional skills.
I personally only was associating with the people in my program area. So being involved in something else that is a campus-wide organization meant a lot to me for the fact that I could meet more people, I could build more bonds and friendships.
One of the things that we really get to do, and we've done annually now for 9 years, is our talent show, and it has gotten to be bigger and bigger every year. And it is our own students who are performers, and this year we had over 13 acts that participated. We had over 250 people attend our event, including our president and his wife. And putting it together just really required a lot of the students' excitement and ideas. And we have a lot of support from the students and their families who come and watch the program.
One great benefit of joining student government is that we eat really good food. At every meeting we have food that's catered in. The students always pick what we have, so it's usually a really good catering experience.
One of the things I love about college is that people always go, why should people get involved? And the simple answer is making memories and making the full potential of meeting people and connecting at a whole different level than what you do just in the classroom.
Being part of that organization gives you a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment when you can make somebody else enjoy their time on college campus, and they can enjoy their time of getting a quality education and having fun doing it.
It's really the students' voice on campus, and we want them to be heard, and we want them to have an active role in decision making at Southeast Tech. And that's really what they do, is try to create a better environment for students.
I think there's a falsehood of what leadership is. The falsehood that I see is that people feel like they have to be extroverted and that they already have to have all these skills and have to be able to, jump in and just kind of be all of that. And what I notice is that my introverted leadership students are the powerhouses that kind of get some momentum going. So I think people have a misconception that they have to fit this type of stereotype in order to be part of student government or any organization. And all we want is for people to be real in who they are.